A little bass.
You got a GoPro?
Yep.
Yes, sir.
Oh, I'm stuck on this tree.
Is this a keeper?
Keeper what?
You want to keep this one, Mr. Arnold?
Hmm? Who's the keeper?
I don't know.
I don't think bass have a limit. If you're talking about keeping to eat.
Yeah.
I can double check though.
Yeah, go ahead and check. I'll throw them in the live well for now. I was on a minnow too.
It says 5 per day, 1/16. Poor things, they're just born to be food.
Got a ball.
There you go. Yes, sir. All right. Ooh, that's a good one. That's a nice one.
What it is, but it's
Bass.
Might be a bass.
Oh God, taking my drag and I don't need it. No.
That's right. I don't let them play. You know, and I almost brought the net too.
Oh, shit.
But if you bring a net, then you don't catch big ones.
Bad luck.
I tried.
Ooh,
That's a bass. Has to work catfish.
Catfish.
take a catfish. Yeah. Don't break, don't break, don't break.
I'm glad I got my drag worked out. Oh, I lost him.
Oh, damn, man.
That'd have been catfish.
That was a good one.
Something took it under. I gotta lock down the drag though, because I can't give an inch.
Yeah.
This is all the line I got.
Oh, no.
Because it's all knotted up.
Yeah.
It's got something.
All right. Greg got something?
Is it?
Yeah.
Yep.
Got it.
Yep. I was using a shiner.
It's a good one. Whatever it is.
Oh, it's
my
a
God.
no. It's either a giant catfish or a giant gar.
Ah.
Yeah, I saw it.
Said it's either a big catfish or a gar.
Yeah.
No, the thing was giant. Well, I have no drag though, cause this thing's all knotted up.
Hey. Even a guard, if we could just get him in the boat.
Yeah. Take a couple pictures.
Yeah. Kill him and then pull it over.
Oh,
Lay the anchor. Oh, oh. Yes, sir.
shoot.
Yes, sir.
He'd be a 15-pound. Oh, yeah, he's mine.
That's a good one.
Oh, that's nice. Okay. These are my kind of eat.
Was that on the worm?
Yeah, on a worm.
Nice.
Very good.
All right, this is the old school classic right here. It's a worm.
Yeah, buddy.
If they ain't do it, I don't think there's any fish left. I think there's only 3 fish in the whole river. Oh, I went over the branch.
Oh,
Yeah. Oh,
You could fight if you get it in.
I know, right?
Not bad.
Got it.
all right. going?
Yeah.
Hey!
Oh, look
Nice
at the
bluegill.
size of that thing.
Oh, man. There's a bunch of stuff hitting over there. That's a good one, man.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Heck yeah. About time.
I know. All right, let's go home.
I gotta keep going, man. Was that on a worm?
Yeah. Classic, man. The classic.
Those things are
Oh, no.
really good eating.
Yeah.
Did you keep the last one?
Yeah, he threw it in the live well cooler part.
Put me on another branch. That's my specialty. It's gotta be. Oh.
Ooh. That's a good one.
No, you ain't. No, he ain't. Look at this.
Catfish.
Oh, no.
Keep it.
Don't lose it, please. Don't lose it. Don't lose
It's not coming up.
it. Dang you.
It's gonna keep the drag.
We really come really prepared, didn't we?
There it is, there it is.
Just want to see it.
Might be able to boat
Put it away.
Dang, can't see him.
What was that on?
Could be a turtle.
A worm.
Wow.
No. A turtle like this?
Maybe.
Dang, they're hard to get up.
Snapper turtle. Ooh, big fish, whatever it is. Catfish.
Looks like
Gotta be.
kitty.
Yeah, that's a nice one. You want to keep them, Mr. Arnold?
Yes, sir.
All right.
I
You
eat
can't boat
kitty.
flip them.
No.
I do.
Let's give it some time. It'll be alright.
Yeah.
Or at least bring them up by the. Yeah.
Man,
Oh, you got it right there.
I'm pretty sure that's what we were doing over there, too.
No, just bring it up by the line. It'll be alright.
By the way.
I just don't want to break the rod, but bring it up by the line. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Look at the size of that thing.
Yes, sir.
I just didn't want to break the rod.
Yeah.
I got a scale. I'm giving it 3 pounds. 3 pounds 2 ounces.
Nice.
Right on the money.
No. Just ripped it out of his mouth.
That's a good guess. So you know what? I'm standing by my statement. That bass I caught was 10 pounds. Bro, it's a giant freaking bass.
Yeah.
I said 10 pounds on the boat. It was, and I second guessed myself. I called this 3. It's 3 2 ounces. I'm like Tom Brady in the 4th quarter. That's when I really shine.
Okay. Another one?
That's a huge one. Look at the size of that thing. Lord.
I think it's just like reaction strike or something. I don't know.
Oh, look at mine. Golly. Oh, my gosh. Wow.
Oh. I'm sitting can't do crap.
White guy versus
I didn't even know that came in that size, Harrison.
Woo. They don't never grow up.
They say it's perfect.
I don't know. I didn't know that came in that size. Yeah, wow.
Put them in your pocket. Whoa.
Come on now.
Man.
I'm like here.
That one's pulling drag.
Hmm?
Pulling
I know. I thought it was a bass.
Nice, dude.
Oh, yeah. I got 2 sandwiches in there. Just fry them up and put them in between some bread. That's it.
Ooh, yeah.
Nothing else. Okay, maybe take the guts out. That's it. Oh man, that's No.
Yep.
Man, Harrison, you caught someone's son, bro. You caught someone's son.
That's a good one, Dre.
And like I said, man, I got that old school rig. That's that 1975. Let's go fishing rig.
Oh, yes, sir.
Okay.
Good one. A real good one.
Oh, you got catfish. You 100% got catfish. Yeah. What else would it be? If that's a bluegill, it's a state record.
I heard that.
Could be a bass. Catfish. Oh,
Yeah.
no. Yeah.
Yeah, catfish.
Another catfish, Mr. Arnold?
Yes, sir.
Hey. Oh, yeah. It's another sandwich right there. 2 sandwiches. I think my worm lost all its worminess.
Right there. That's it. It's gonna be one.
Boom. Yeah, I think it's a worm, man. Oh.
There you go. You're on. And he's gone.
Oh, that's a catfish. I got
Oh, yeah.
a bunch of big old catfish back here.
Catfish.
Very nice. Good eating.
What happened to the bluegill?
I know.
I'm gonna break my rod. That's another decent sized catfish. Golly. Flip.
Thing's huge.
God almighty.
I'll be so disappointed if these things don't taste good.
What? Oh,
The catfish.
river?
They just look so black, like.
Dark water.
I know.
It ain't gotta. You gotta flip it all the way around to get over on the other side.
Yeah, it's just sliding.
Yeah. This
Dang,
right
Dre.
here.
It's another catfish.
There you go. I just got another one. It's throw right over my head. Golly, Dre, that's a good one. That's probably the biggest of the day.
Please let it be a please let it be a bluegill.
Yeah.
No, it's not coming up.
Nice, dude.
Jeez. I got it. Okay. Another catfish.
Woo!
That's crazy. They just start eating. They said, all right, time to.
Feel good?
You might need to use more drag once it gets close to the boat. Oh,
Got a 6 pound test. That's crazy. That's a big one.
jeez.
Mighty, look at the size.
Yeah, I think that's
Woo!
Mighty.
Ah. Here, I got you. We got him.
It's almost fine.
Want me to get him?
Oh, damn! Is the hook in you?
No. It popped. Everything.
Why did you let me buy no chicken shit string like that?